Hello, my name is Emerson Kruger. I'm the Natural Resource Manager at the Matanuska-Susitna Borough. We recently completed a hazard tree felling contract that we consider a great success. Staff had identified over 750 hazard trees along the public trails on both Alcantra Sports Complex and the Crevasse Moraine trail system. Public notices were mailed out to several hundred nearby property owners to notify them of the plan to fell the hazard trees along those public trails and to let them know that the wood would be made available for firewood gathering so long as they didn't use motorized vehicles to collect the wood from the trails. The contractor was able to complete the project, felling 750 trees in 1/3 of the time required and at 1/4 of the estimated budget. With the cost savings, because of the efficiency of this contractor's ability to fell the hazard trees, we're going to extend an opportunity for contractors to fell hazard trees along the public trails at the Jim Creek Recreation Area. The borough is going to open several new personal use firewood harvest areas for free permits to harvest beetle kill for firewood. There's an ongoing effort to coordinate with the State Division of Forestry on additional fuel reduction on borough land and adjoining state land to create fuel breaks to reduce wildfire hazard. If we're lucky and the Assembly approves a budget request for a borough saw crew, we intend to hire a 4-man sawyer crew this fall who will be focusing on constructing fuel breaks on borough land at the urban wildland interface.